Hello friends, welcome! Let's learn the English alphabet with this beautiful puzzle. Let's start. Letter A. Now we need to find the other part of the puzzle. Let's find it. I wonder... Look, we found it! Letter A. A is for apple. Apple. Now let's find our next letter. Next letter is letter B. Look, we found letter B. Where is the other half? Look, we found it. Letter B. B is for ball. Ball. The next piece of the puzzle is letter C. Let's find letter C. Here it is. Letter C. Now we need the other half. Here it is. Let's put them together like this. C is for crab. Crab. Next is letter D. Yes. Let's find the other half. Where is it? Here it is. Let's place them together like this. D is for duck. Duck. What comes after D? Yes, it's E. Letter E. Let's find the other part of the puzzle. Look, it's here. Wow, it's a beautiful elephant. E is for elephant. This is a baby elephant. Our next letter is letter F. F. And this is the other half. F is for frog. Frog. Now let's see what we learned so far. A, B, C, D, E, F. We learned the first 6 letters of the alphabet. Let's move on with letter G. This is letter G. And we need the other half. We found it. Letter G. G is for grapes. Grapes are very sweet fruits. Moving along. And our next letter is letter H. H. And we need the other half. Here it is. Wow, we have a horse. H is for horse. We are looking for the next letter and it's I. Letter I. And this is the other half. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Next is letter J. J. We need the other half. Here it is. Letter J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Let's look for our next letter. Here it is. Letter K. K. And the other half is here. This is a koala. K is for koala. And here is our next letter. Letter L. L. And the other half. And we have a lemon. L is for lemon. We have 2 lemons here. G, H, I, J, K, L. Our alphabet continues with the next letters. Letter M, M. And the other half is here. M is for monkey. And we have a monkey here. Can you help me find the next letter? Yes, this is letter N. Let's look for the other half. It should be blue. Here it is. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. We are looking for the next letter. Here it is, letter O. And we need to find the other half. Letter O. O is for owl. Owl. Do you know what comes after O? Yes, of course, it's letter P. P. We need the other half now. Here it is. And we have a parrot. P is for parrot. Parrot. And this is our next letter, letter Q. The other half. And we have Q. Q is for quail. Quail. Now let's see the letters again. M, N, O, P, Q. Good job. Do you know what comes after Q? Yes, it's letter R. R. We need the other half now. Here it is. R. R is for raccoon. Raccoon. We are now looking for letter S. Here it is. And we need the other half. It should be red. Here is the red half. S is for strawberry. Strawberry. Do you know what comes after letter S? Yes, it's T. Letter T. Let's look for the other half. Here it is. T is for tiger. Tiger. Our next letter is letter U. Here it is. Letter U, and we need the other half. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. And we have letter V over here. And the other half. V. V is for vase. Vase. Now let's see the letters again. We have R, S, T, U, and V. Perfect. Here are the other letters. Which one do you think is next? Yes, it's W. And we need colored blue. This is colored blue. W is for whale. Whale. What comes after W? Letter X. X. We need the other half. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Our next letter is letter Y. This is letter Y, Y. And we need the brown part. Y is for yak, yak. Our last letter of the alphabet is letter Z, Z. And the other half is here. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now let's see these four letters again. W, X, Y, and Z. A for apple, B for bowl, C for crab, D for duck, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for koala, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for narwhal, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for raccoon, S for strawberry, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vase, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Wow, we learned so much today. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching.